Hello students, how are you? In this video, I will discuss some related topics and few important points regarding your case scenario based MCQ which is going to be asked in upcoming examinations. Let me tell you one thing that from 12 May, you must have viewed earlier my video, from 12 May I will upload per day one case scenario based MCQ from each important chapters. There might I will take approx 10 chapters in CA Inter and 10 chapters in CA Final also. While solving case scenario based question, some few points should be in your mind. What is this case scenario? Please look, case scenario is just a way to analyze the situation that come in front of you. Means you have to think practically while reading any case studies. Whenever you start reading your question, you must be comfortable yourself to sit in that positions of what the question situation is. Second, try to think in every step after completing each sentence. In case scenario, there might be situation arise that few paragraphs are useless, but after that few paragraph, when we will practice, I will make you to think situation before solving MCQ. Third, it is just my estimation that in examinations for few attempts taking July, November and May 21. July 20, November 20 and May 21. I can presume that there will be case scenario based on chapters topic questions only. It means if case scenario start from director's chapters, then overall the 5 MCQs based on that case scenario will be from director only. But surely after May 20 or even it might be chance from May 20, there may increase some complexities. Complexities means there can be a consolidated MCQs covering 2 or 3 chapters. In our video, our coverage will be on, basically for CA final, our coverage will be on 4 case scenarios on director chapters. I will cover 2 case scenarios of RTP also. One each from important chapters like I will say, then your chapters compromise amalgamations, NCLT, special code, investigations, IBC. Okay, let me take from IBC, I will take 2 chapters, 2 case scenario question. 2 will be from covering allied law and economic law, only 2, because there will be less chances of asking case scenarios from allied law or economic law. And there will be 3 consolidated case scenario based question. 3 consolidated means I will prepare 3 case scenario in such a way that there might come situation that in same question, in some MCQ there might be a questions from operation mismanagement, there might be a questions from NCLT, or there might be a questions from compromise amalgamations, or it may be possible there might be questions from director also. Means case scenario will be only one, but the 5 MCQs based on that case scenario might be from different topics that are called consolidated case scenario based questions. I hope you understand. Let me tell you, please stay updated and connected. One thing, never try to compromise yourself with studies. Why I am uploading per day only one video? Just because I don't want to waste your more time. One case scenario based practicing only takes 15 to 20 minutes, but might can build up your confidence in examination hall. And all the case scenarios based question which I will provide you on video, that will be provided to you on description link also, so that you can download the PDF and start practicing yourself also. I will provide in each sample that I will give you, and I am secure there will be proper explanations with proper relevant laws, so that you can try to practice yourself also. Thanks for watching. Stay connected, stay updated. Please subscribe our channels and don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you so much.